Okay, so from my last video, I decided to cut off these pieces that were hanging out just to make the tree a little lighter to work with, and have gone around through here and cut out. I found two major roots down here, one down there, one over here, that were holding the tree pretty good. They're now cut through. I'm not going to bother pulling them up, but I've dug all the way around this, and I think I've dug about as much as I can. And now it's time to see if we can't pull it over. So I left this trunk as my lever arm. See, I got a chain there, and that is running up here. Through my come along. And yes, I said I don't like cables, but this gives me a long piece to pull in with, and I'm nowhere near loading that come along to its maximum load. And then we go up here to my base weight that shouldn't move. So I'm going to set the camera onto the tripod, and then we'll start bringing that down. Okay, now to start, see if it'll come down. Guess we need to see where else it's attached. Well, I think I want to change where that's pulling. So it's pulling in a slightly different direction. Okay, we'll try tightening this one up and see if it pulls a little different. So I think we're going to stop right here, and I'm going to wash out the underneath the tree and finish digging deeper around this side, and we'll come back and try it again. Okay, I did a little more digging around it, and as you can see, I don't like it tipping towards the window, so I'm gonna see if this chain I've added on the fence post there will help keep it coming the way I want it to. And I dug more out in front of it. Didn't really see any big roots, so I think it's just a matter of bringing it on over. So we'll go see. I think we need to tighten the chain. Or just pull it over. And there we go. On the ground. On the bush, but the bush was coming out anyway. And we didn't hit the house, so cool. Well, that's all the excitement for the day. Now the next trick is to get it out of here. We'll come back when I get the bark stripped off of it. So, with a little bit of time travel, the rest of my video was yesterday and this is today, and I decided to put the come along on back there to the tree that I'm going to be taking down, and as you can see, I cut the log on top here off and cleaned it up to drag it up and take the bark off. But I kind of want to see if there's something I can do with the stump. It's kind of why I left the pieces sticking up, because I want to see if it's possible to cut the top of this, well, the bottom of the stump off and create some kind of a table out of it. So right now, just giving it a bath to kind of get a lot of the muck off of it, and so I have less to clean once I get it up to the driveway. But now it is actually out of the hole. It's completely disconnected. Nothing is hooked down. So the whole thing of doing the video of the process of pulling this out with chains and load binders and a little bit of cutting with a mattock and axe, a little bit of sawing, it came out really quite easy. You know, I didn't put a lot of time in this. Had I spent an entire, full 8 hours a day on it, it's probably only taken me 2 days to take this stump out. So, just wanted to do an update because I didn't videotape this particular piece going on. That's it.